Hey, it's Drew Bentley here with Learn Guitar with Drew. And today we're going to take a look at the second installment of how to create your own guitar riffs. But first, thank you so much for checking out this video. Please click that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. And in the comment section down below, you'll find links for my websites and other guitar resources. Okay, so this is the second installment on how to jam. The first lesson, we did this A power chord, we did C over A, D over A, and then the other ingredient was this E7 sharp 9 chord and then this little snap. So what I did at the beginning of this video was I played this same riff from last time, and then I added some new stuff to it. And let's take a look at that new stuff I added. What I'm doing is I'm playing the 5th fret of the D string to the 7th fret of the D string. And those are two great notes we can add to this jam if I keep the A string chugging. The idea here is to keep the beat. I think it was like juggling, keeping the ball in the air, or maybe like volleyball, the ball can't touch the ground, hot potato, whichever way you want to look at it. I'm trying to keep a rhythm going, but I'm adding a little bit of sort of another element to it with some single notes in between the chugs. And then back to those two sort of A bar chord forms there again. So if I add that in, that's cool. The next thing I did, not necessarily chronologically, but I played the A blues scale, which is the A minor pentatonic scale with the flat 5 added to it. So I kind of threw that in there as well to sort of gloss things up a little bit. I did the snap thing last week, I did it here as well. I did the G chord. This time I did the what I call the AC/DC G. If you do a power chord without your first finger, you get this power chord. That, and then I threw in this full A bar chord form with a suspension, which happens like literally all the time in 80s and 70s guitar music, where I'm playing the A form and adding my little finger to get a sus chord. That kind of sound. So you put that together, now I have this. So now I'm creating something completely different than what I did before by taking the same concept and adding some new stuff to it. So you can mix and match this in any way you want to. Sort of my rule of thumb to create songs from riffs is to find something, well, it's true anything with songs, whether you're doing a melody or a chord progression, you look for something that you should have heard before, but you haven't, but you probably should have. And that's whenever you have something really good, when it sounds like worthy of kind of keeping it and nurturing it and building it into something. We all play a lot of throwaway stuff that's not necessarily that great, but once in a while you'll stumble upon something that you're like, huh, that was pretty neat. And that's the stuff you want to capture. So by mixing and matching these elements, you're going to find your own riffs kind of coming out from this whole system of things I played together. Okay, well, hopefully that was helpful. I really appreciate you checking out the video. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below if you have anything you'd like me to cover on the channel. And I'll have the third installment of How to Jam pretty soon. So thank you very much, and I can't wait to see you at the next lesson.